After that, I want to tell you the current situation or condition about this COVID-19 outbreak. So it is our first meeting, but unfortunately we can meet by face to face in the class, so I want to apologize, but it is not a obstacle, or it is not we can still continue our study by using online learning platform, or we can use a video conference to study together, right? So it is a big problem, I think. So I hope that you are guys not bothered by this situation. So we have to keep healthy and keep encourage ourselves so we can still study together, right? And yeah, before we start this meeting, I want to check the attendance list first. And yeah, I'm sorry I forgot that before starting this meeting, I want that let's pray together first. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And then after that, I will check the attendance list, and if I called your name, just raise your hand to your camera and I will check it. Okay, first, where is Budi? Okay, Budi is here, good. And then Ridwan also here, nice. Next, Ahmad, where is Ahmad? Ahmad still here, okay. Then Diana also ready, good. Nadira, oh, Nadira has not turned her camera on, but it's okay. And then Alan, where is Alan? Alan is also ready, good. Then Rashid, just turn on your camera, okay. Then Dinda, where is Dinda? Dinda, okay. Next, Denisa also ready, good. And the last is Diaz, okay. Diaz is ready also, okay. Start by what do you think about the vocabularies? So do you guys know about the vocabularies? And just explain it to your friends. Do you guys know about the vocabularies before, or have you heard it before? Just tell it to your friends or to me that if you already heard about the vocabularies. Don't be worried, don't be shy to explain your opinion or your answer about the vocabularies. We can discuss it later, whether it is correct or wrong. We can get the correct answer together, so don't be worried or don't be shy to answer in this class, okay? How about you, Ridwan? What do you think about vocabularies? Okay, good, Ridwan. And then what do you think about vocabulary, Denisa? Okay, Denisa also good. And then Alan, what do you know about vocabularies? Okay, that's good. Okay, next. So after collecting the answer of all of you guys, I also read materials about the vocabularies. We can conclude that vocabulary refers to the words that used in a language, and vocabulary also a list of collection of words, phrases usually alphabetically arranged and explained. Jadi vocabulary itu merupakan kumpulan kata atau kosakata yang biasanya disusun secara alfabet dan diterjemahkan atau didefinisikan. Jadi di dalam setiap bahasa itu ada vocabulary. Sama halnya seperti bahasa Inggris, dalam bahasa Indonesia juga terdapat kosakata. Nah, di dalam bahasa Inggris vocabulary itu terdiri dari part of speech. Nah, part of speech itu sendiri terdiri dari, yang pertama ada noun itu kata benda, and then ada pronoun atau kata benda, kemudian ada verb atau kata kerja, kemudian ada adjective atau kata sifat, kemudian ada preposition atau preposisi, dan yang terakhir ada conjunction atau kata penghubung. Nah, sama halnya dalam bahasa Indonesia, kita bisa mengelompokkan jenis-jenis kata tersebut. Dan guys, do you know the example of noun? You can tell it to me. What do you know about noun? Noun is kata benda, so you can tell what do you know about nouns for the example of noun. So here I have some examples of nouns. Okay, so I have this. Do you know what it is, guys? Yeah, I think all of you already know what is this. You can repeat after me, right? This is a book. Yeah, this is a book. Repeat after me. Good. Yeah, this is a book. So book is a noun. Buku adalah sebuah kata benda. And then kemudian kita beralih ke kata kerja. Nah, saya juga punya beberapa contoh tentang kata kerja. Seperti kalian bisa tebak apa yang sedang saya lakukan. Do you know, guys, what am I doing? Rashid, what do you think about what am I doing? Yeah, that's correct. Correct. Yeah, I am reading a book. So reading or read means membaca. Membaca adalah sebuah kata kerja. Kemudian ada adjective atau kata sifat. So guys, look it carefully. So what is it? What is it? It is a book, right? Yeah. So you can tell me what is the specific character of this book. What do you think about it, Dinda? Yeah, correct. This is a red book. Great. So red in this book means that red is a adjective. So red is a kata sifat. It modifies the noun. And then there are also preposition. And for example, like we often heard that in, on, at, above, below, under. Yeah, that is a preposition. So if we want to make a sentence using some of part of speech, we can arrange it carefully. For example, like book. If we want to make a sentence using book, we can use a simple present tense like I read a book. So it means that saya membaca buku. Read a book. Okay, and read adalah verb atau sebagai kata kerja. Kemudian I adalah pronoun, kata ganti benda. Kemudian a adalah artikel. Kemudian book adalah noun. Jadi dalam sebuah kalimat itu meliputi banyak hal, banyak bagian jenis kata. Okay, so I think you guys already understand what am I explaining. Is there any question? No? Good. Okay, then for your practice, you can explain what is vocabulary, and then you can make a example of the sentence using the noun, verb, adjective, preposition, or anything else. So you can write it down, and after that, if you are finished, you can raise your hand and submit it to me, or just show it to the camera and I will check it one by one. Okay, let's start it. Oh, are you guys finished? Good. So what is your example, Budi? Good. I have a new shoes. Yeah, it consists of pronoun, verb, and noun also. Good. And what is your example, Nadira? Okay, good. She has a new blouse. Good. Okay. And then how about you, Budi? Good. My father bought a new car. Yeah, bought is a verb and it is a passive form from buy. Buy means membeli. So I think we already know about the vocabulary. Yeah, we also use it in our discussion that. So I hope that after this class we can expand our vocabulary, so we can use English language better than before. So I think that's all. Thank you very much.